I don't know where I'm going, but I do know where I'm from. Seems like everything around me is so dull and set in stone.
But if I try to find my own way and just enjoy the ride, I could run towards the edge and I could see the other side. If I run this race alone, at least I've done it. If I lose some faith, I'll overcome it. I will push, I won't stop, try to rise to the top. And even if there's sorrow, I'll try again, try again, try again tomorrow. I won't give up on this life. I'll keep on trying till I realize I will let go, let my soul take flight. Who knows time If I run this race alone, at least I've done it.